they could change.
Decay!
And death! But what gives rise to these beings? And makes them what they are?
Isn't it being?
What's being?
Being!
Beings evolving, transforming, ever becoming. Beings the source of potentiality.
Enabling beings to emerge and to grow.
Beings dynamic, active, generative, dynamic, active, generative.
Being is the foundation of all knowing.
Through our engagement with being, we are to understand and experience the world. Being beings.
One in the many.
Many in the one. What does it mean to be?
To breathe.
To move.
To think.
What is beings without being?
A flame without fire.
A note without music. But what am I? Who am I? A name, a body,
A fleeting sight.
or part of boundless? Where being and beings collide. We are beings, finite, fragile. We are moments, passing, perishing. As beings we struggle, as beings we hope, as beings we love. Without being, beings vanishes.
Without being, the foundation of existence crumbles. There would be no context for meaning or for purpose.
No meaning, no purpose. No meaning, no purpose. No meaning, no purpose. No meaning, no purpose.
Through being, we understand the mystery of ourselves and all the things within the great web of reality.
Being beings, one in the many, many in the one. Being endures, and the notion of being is the source of all meaning. Beyond the dust, beyond the flame, being calls us by our name. Being beings.
We are
beings, finite. Will this ever work out? This ever work out? I forgot. And then about what is this? But what this? I don't know. Let's rise to those beings. Hindi kasi and makes them what they are. What? Being. Okay, it's actually ay, mga sa akin dyan, natawala.
Ako pala,
Isn't it?
You're